In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add reverb in Audiomass. Reverb is that natural echo you hear in real spaces. Think of the difference between speaking in a small room versus a large hall. Used well, it adds depth and space to your audio without overwhelming it. I'll show you exactly how to do this in Audiomass, a free browser-based editor that's quick and easy to use. Start by opening your web browser and heading to audiomass.co. Once the editor loads, input your sound so the waveform appears on the screen. You should see your audio displayed across the timeline. If you only want to process a particular moment, like part of a vocal phrase, click and drag over that portion so it's highlighted. If your goal is to apply reverb to the entire track, make sure nothing is selected. A quick way to check is to look for any shaded area on the waveform. If there isn't one, you're applying to everything. Now, let's add the effect. Go to the top menu, click Effects, and choose Reverb. A pop-up window will appear with adjustable controls. These settings shape the character of the space you're simulating. Room size or decay controls how long the reverb tail hangs in the air. Pre-delay introduces a tiny pause before the reverberation starts, which can help keep vocals clear by separating the dry voice from the reflections. The wet or mix control sets how much processed signal you hear compared to the original dry sound. If you're unsure where to begin, start gently. A moderate room size, a short decay, and a lower wet mix often keep things natural and musical. As you tweak, think about the role of the sound in your mix. For speech or lead vocals, shorter decay and a subtle mix usually maintain intelligibility. For instruments or ambient tracks, you can go a bit bigger to create a sense of space. Trust your ears and avoid cranking everything up at once. Too much reverb can make audio feel distant or muddy. When you're happy with the settings, click Apply. Audiomass will process the effect on your highlighted selection, or on the entire track if nothing was selected. Play your audio to hear the space and depth you've added. If it feels too heavy or too subtle, open the reverb effect again, adjust the parameters, and apply once more until it sits just right. That's all you need to add tasteful reverb in Audiomass. Load your audio, choose reverb from the effects menu, dial in the settings, and apply. Enjoy crafting the perfect space for your sound.